Exceptional. All the staffs from front desk to housekeeping were all very accommodating and polite. Breakfast is very good as well. Great experience. This hotel is great. Food is great, place is great, people are great. They are great with kids too. Relaxing stay near the beach. Awesome location. Near the beach and lots of restaurants nearby. Attentive staff. Free shuttle for nearby locations. Amazing place for family. Second time visiting but with our in-laws this time. They like the place and we will be back on a yearly basis. Best hotel in Baler. I just had a vacation in Costa Pacifica but I'm already wanting and planning to go back soon. That's how I enjoyed my stay. The staff are very helpful, the pools are very clean, the buffet breakfast is super delicious. Best life moments are created here. Hard to beat. My son said this vacation at Costa Pacifica is something that's hard to beat. Our room flows directly to the pool then down to the beach. Zero effort to swim. The food was really good, from complimentary buffet breakfast to a la carte menu. Staff are quick to attend to our needs and requests. Thank you, Costa Pacifica. We hope to be back again soon. Summer relaxation. The place was good for the hot summer. Summer treat. Great place for enjoyment with family. Costa Pacifica highly recommended for families. Luxurious ambience and friendly staff. Food is exceptional and servings are huge. Would definitely go back. Amazing stay. Our stay at this property was absolutely amazing. The location was perfect, with easy access to parking and transportation. The staff were friendly and attentive, ensuring that our needs were met throughout our stay. The facilities were top-notch, offering everything we needed for a comfortable and enjoyable experience. The cleanliness of the property was impeccable, and the Wi-Fi connection was reliable. We also appreciated the walkability of the area, allowing us to easily explore the surroundings. Overall, we had a fantastic time and would highly recommend this property to others. It truly exceeded our expectations. Exceptional. Had a great time with my family. Thank you. Best in Baler. Very nice place, food is awesome. Highly recommended. Best place to stay in Baler for families. We loved it here. Can't wait to be back.